When you're always on the go, you need a reliable power bank to keep you going. Introducing Jackery, the power source for mobility. The Jackery Power Bar is one of the smallest and lightest portable power stations integrated with an AC wall outlet. With this portable battery charger, you can now enjoy endless off-grid power wherever you are. The Jackery Power Bar charges universally, powering all smart devices, from iPhones to Androids to a Macbook laptop. It also powers projectors, cameras, speakers, and TVs. Jackery Power Bar is a smart power source. With its own battery management system, it adapts to optimal voltage levels to ensure both your device and your power bar are operating efficiently. And with the 15-watt wall adapter, the power bar recharges quickly. It also allows for car and solar panel charging. For strong, quality charging, choose the Power Bar by Jackery, the power source for mobility.
This is OmniCharge, the world's first smart power bank, designed by best-in-field power management experts that can charge any device. OmniCharge is fully equipped with AC/DC charging capabilities, as well as 2 rapid charging USB ports, and is the only power bank on the market with universal charging. Smart, powerful, compact. It is the only power bank you will ever need. OmniCharge is designed for the modern professional's mobile lifestyle. With this power bank, any space can become a workspace, and being tied to the wall socket is a thing of the past. You'll be able to get work done wherever you need without running out of battery. OmniCharge can power even the most demanding laptops, and is small enough to fit inside your everyday bag. The power bank's compact size means that you can carry it with you everywhere and never worry about running out of power while you're on the go. You don't have to carry an extra charger. The battery's universal charging port means that it can be charged with any cable already around you. OmniCharge can power an incredibly wide range of devices, and its smart power management system means that it can recognize which device it's charging and adjust the optimal output. The world's first battery with a brain. All data is displayed in real time, from battery temperature to remaining charging time. With OmniCharge, your device will be charged in the shortest possible time, allowing you to focus on what's important. This smart power bank can even be charged with a solar panel, and its unique flow-through capability allows you to charge other devices while the battery itself is being charged, totally freeing you from the wall socket. OmniCharge allows you to lead a truly mobile life and never miss an opportunity to create a warm atmosphere for family and friends. With OmniCharge, you can power the things that truly matter to you.